This might be the only hike you can do in your flip-flop. Beautiful. So close to the sand dunes. Out of food. I'm at H Mart right now. I'm gonna try to buy a week worth of groceries. Really pretty. Never seen this color before. I forgot to make a shopping list, so now I'm kind of struggling to try to find everything. This is my all-time favorite wasabi. Fresh wasabi. Ah, where's the bin? There it is. Okay, got it all in. Don't know how long these are going to last. Probably 3 days. So last night we stayed at the Sloves and we are about 4 hours away from the Great Sand Dunes. The best thing about this van is you could pretty much park at any gas station. We decided to drive up the volcano. We are going up a volcano! Hopefully it hasn't been active in a while. I forgot to ask him about that. Beautiful view. We're so high, it's almost like we're flying. The view is beautiful, oh my goodness. I'm glad we're doing this. Yeah. It's so chilly. It's like 53 degrees outside right now. Our first stamp. Our first stamp. We're at the top of the volcano. It is quite chilly. So that is, we are here. Trail. Lava. Visitors. Interesting. That was the fastest national park visit I've ever been to. But it's very beautiful, so if you're in the area, I recommend stopping by here. It's about 3 miles drive up. We don't get to do this very often, so it's kind of nice to sometimes just stop and take the less travel route. It was worth it for this hour detour. I'm cold, so I'm gonna go back to the van. 1 more hour to go. We're in Colorado right now. Hopefully this line is gonna move fast. So this is not exactly how I imagine the sand dunes to be like. This is the line to get in. That's the Great Sand Dunes over there, or sand dune. The air is actually quite nice out here. And the line behind me, the Great Sand Dunes. Here we go, we're next. Hello.
Hi there, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good, welcome to Great Sand Dunes.
Thank you. Do you know we could take this off-roading in that Mendona Pass? It's a four-wheel drive, yes.
Okay, and it looks fairly high clearance. You might be able to do it. I wouldn't go any further than you're comfortable with.
Okay.
There are several creek crossings that are still pretty deep, and if you go all the way to the top, it's very rutted.
Okay.
But you might be able to go at least a few miles in.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
Appreciate it.
Yes. We're here. Got my stamp. So pretty. Okay, we're gonna go get stuck in the sand. Hiking up the sand dunes. It is chilly everywhere. The water is cold. excited to go back home now. So beautiful in here. Very different. I don't know why originally I imagined that there's a path or a road in between the sand dunes and we're gonna be driving in the middle of the sand dunes so we can see the sand dunes on both sides, but no, that's not how it is. So this is the campsite coming up. Campsites. No one is here. No one is here yet. Can we take this one? The whole van is shaking, even with the new suspension. But we're right next to the sand dunes, right there. Yeah. Very smooth. Oh, there it is. Ooh. They actually meant a literal creek. I'm not sure the van is gonna be able to cross this. I'm gonna see how deep it is. It is very chilly. Oh my goodness. Is it worth it? I don't know. It's cold. It's so freaking cold. Okay, so that's the creek over there. Whew. We did it! But now we just have to go back later. Oh my goodness. We just passed that creek over there in this van. I think we might be the only crazy. All the campsites in here are taken, so we're just gonna turn around and do dispersed camping tonight outside of the park. So we're gonna cross the creek again. No! No! Ooh. Yeah, we're stuck again. We got stuck letting some car pass, but we have a shovel this time. Finger crossed. Let's see. Oof. Doesn't sound good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes. Yes! Yes! We're free! So I don't recommend bringing the Rebel in here unless you have serious off-roading experience. But truck and Jeep is fine. That shovel came to the rescue. The van made it over. Now it's my turn. Ah, still cold. I think it got deeper because of the van. We're leaving the park. We're gonna try to find a dispersed camping for the night. Coming into the campsite. Found a beautiful campsite on our first try. Look, this is the view from the campsite. So pretty out here. So the drive is about an hour and 30 minutes from the Great Sand Dunes to this place called Solana Dispersed Campsite. So this is a dispersed campsite. You don't get electricity or bathroom. So now I'm gonna set up and cook dinner. This is what I'm making tonight. I'm making Brussels sprout with Wagyu steak. I really can't see the view because of the rain. Well, that's it. Until next time.